Hello guys. This is SaveGadget with our first video on YouTube. Today we are going to fix the cracked screen on the iPhone 7 Plus. This phone came for refurbishing from our business partner. I see this iPhone has been repaired already. It has an aftermarket screen. To keep all screws in one place, I recommend using a magnetic pad. Let's begin with unscrewing two pentalobe screws at the bottom. Usually, it's good to heat the screen up, but the phone was previously repaired, and we do not care about his aftermarket screen. Be careful with opening the phone. It opens on the right side. Pull the screen gently. You don't want to end up damage the flex cable for the front camera. Okay, I see the battery was replaced too. Continue disassembling the phone. We will need a Mercedes star-like screwdriver for iPhones 7 and up. Try to keep screws in proper order, so when you will assemble them back together, all screws sit in the correct places. Okay, we got a screen separated. Just put the body on the side. We don't need it for now. Start with disassembling the bottom part, a metal plate that covers the home button. Here is a tricky part. You will need to use a heat gun to soften the glue between the flex and display. It helps not to damage Touch ID when transferring to the new screen. Remove top plate that holds earpiece, speaker, and front camera. Same as a home button. Heat the earpiece to soften the glue. It comes up pretty easy now. Oh, we forgot this bottom screw. In SaveGadget, we use only premium aftermarket screens. Let's put all the pieces back together. Do not touch the camera with your fingers. It's nearly impossible to completely clean fingerprint and stain from it once you touch the lens. Carefully connect all the flexes back to the logic board. We are almost done. The screen is aligned up. Last part, check the new display, Touch ID, and front camera with mic. Everything looks perfect. Now the phone is ready for a new buyer. Thanks for watching this video. We appreciate your time. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more repair videos. See you next time. Bye.